go. Welcome back, everybody. It is Power Hour on this Monday. Joining us right now is Austin Silver, the man in the middle. Austin, welcome to Power Hour. Looking good in that swag. What do you got there? What are you wearing real quick? What do you got? Yes, he's on the team now. Good to see you, man. Welcome to Power Hour.
I appreciate you guys hooking me up, man. Thanks. It's good to be
got
here.
It, man.
Andre,
you got it. Dolby time. Welcome. Dolby time.
Dolby time.
What's going on, guys?
Go.
I'm trying to work some offers in the YM right now. So we were talking about getting back within range in the YM. I'm going to try to bet on it in my 50K trading combine that I am trying to pass live on air.
Okay.
All trades live on air. I am definitely not getting filled on this. So we will try to figure it out.
I can help you, Dolby. I got a good level on ES that we're coming off of here that might make you
hold on. Slow. Hold on. Can we these levels?
Yeah, hold on. Andre wants to know what his level is. He used to dial up a house trade.
If the trade presents itself, we will definitely dial up a house trade. I got the keys to the Ferrari while Michael is traveling right now. So let's see what we can do. House counts down a couple, about $2,500 for the time being. I got stopped out, maybe too tight of stops, but it's okay. Austin, what do you got for levels?
Yeah, what is this?
I was trying to figure out where ES was going to stop here, and now I've kind of I'm seeing something that's hard to unsee. 50, 75, 50 is last week's high, Monday's high VWAP. We're coming off of that a really nice slowdown and rejection at that level. I actually got out of my long there. So now that we've slid off of that level, it's hard to unsee these levels sometimes once you see them. So I see that kind of as a short-term top. Could be high of day even. It's a strong level. I mean, one of my the guys I really like to follow is Brian Shannon, and he loves previous week's high and previous week's low VWAPs. So I think that could be where we're seeing some resistance there. 50, 75-ish.
All right. Well, yes, we definitely hit it already once. You think if we get up there again, Austin, perhaps take a short?
If you see slowing there and see maybe even a lower high, that would be fantastic. Right. So I think so. Gotcha. I'm going to look at Dolby's right now on YM and see what they look like for Dolby.
I'm selling one of my 100K. Just at market, just smashing a sell button on my 100K trading combine. Yeah. So it's a very late. It's a very late trade. Very, very late trade.
That run-up is incredible, even on YM today. So on YM, Dolby, look at this. It's very different here. That last week's high VWAP, you're actually above it. You're actually bullish on that. But this run-up, I mean, how many consecutive up bars is that? Wow, 10 consecutive up bars.
A lot. 400-point bounce off the range fill. It was insane.
That is great. That is great for you to be trading back away from that. I'm going to see something here really quick. I know you guys had Andre on last week from Edgeful. And I'm really liking their stuff, man. I don't know if you're using it, Dolby, but it might be helpful here. So let's just see something. You're trading the YM. Let's see how many consecutive 15-minute bars does it usually paint? Let's see if we can find this real quick. I think I can. Average consecutive bars on the YM, on the 15-minute chart. Average is 4.3. Max is 15. So it's actually done more than 10. There you go. That's interesting, right? But it still looks great for a sell here. See if we can find some pressure.
We'll see. I mean, I'm going to try to short anything that comes back on the way up. So the 100K account, I am much more aggressive in. If this was a 50K account, I would not have taken this trade because I'm I'm selling the bottom of a range. I prefer buying bottoms and selling tops. So a little bit of a chase, but I think we got some room here on this one.
All right, we're taking a look at the tilt. You got 86% of people agreeing with you. Dolby, 86% short here in the YM. I know you're working offers, not necessarily in yet, but I know it's a small sample size as we saw this morning, but it is the sample size that we provide. So that's what we're working with, and that's what we're going to go off of. We are seeing
that's crazy. 86% short on top.
86%. Yes,
that's a lot.
It is. You're seeing what everyone else is seeing, but yes, Austin, if we can get up to that 50, 75 one more time, it looks like it's just going to hold. Take a peek there. Quick Delta update. In NASDAQ, we got plus 3,900 in NASDAQ, plus 5,900 in ES. We have seen bigger numbers before, but it definitely is a lean, or it's a tilt if you want to say that. So we will see this. All right, Austin, tell us, have you traded today? Have you taken any trades? And if so, how have they gone?
I have 3 trades to talk about. I wanted to have some action before the stream, and then, of course, if we can get anything here, we'll do it together. So my head, just to give you the context for the market, it's a Monday. According to Edgeful, not to plug them again, but it's just good data, they are saying Mondays are lowest volume and smallest ranges. historically over the last year on ES. Okay, so I'm not going to be aggressive today, knowing that we are still inside the previous day's high and low. So I've got those zones marked on my screen here. You can see Friday's high, Friday's low. So seeing that we're trading between there, I'm already kind of on defensive mode today. And I know that if I'm trading in a range, I want to be buying at the bottom and selling at the top. So I tried to pick the bottom this morning. I had a winning long trade, a small win, very, very small win this morning. I was a little early, as you can see here. I was in at 50, 17, 75 and out at 15, 17, 75. So a wash, basically. I locked my stop very quickly on the trade and then missed the pop back up to the daily VWAP, which I was okay with. Then I had to leave the desk, hit the gym usually midday, and I missed that move higher that I was looking for. But knowing that we rose pretty strong, I'm thinking, okay, if we're still in a range with Friday's high, yesterday's high being the top of that range, I'm going to look to sell it there. So I took a sell there at 50.53, got out of that as quick as I could, probably could have been a little faster at 50.63, so took a 10-point stop there. And then when it recently broke the previous high of day VWAP, as you can see there in purple here, I'll change the color, that was where I got long again, rode that up to this last week's high VWAP. Now, I didn't know that that was there. I just saw it slowing, and that's why I pulled this, which looks like a great exit in hindsight. And that's where I'm at on the day. So I'm down $300 today so far. So not too bad on the XFA.
Manageable.
Looking to manageable. Yeah, I want to get some action. you say
rounding
you say there'll be rounding error?
That's a rounding error. 300.
Something like Austin Silver.
That's it is, dude.
That's a
ask my wife, bro. She'll tell you that's definitely a rounding error.
Yeah, that's.
I hear you.
But Andre, I didn't know that previous week's high VWAP was there. I got out because it was just not moving, and I'd rather take the $250 win, start to recover the loss, rather than risk another donut today with no money. So going back, now I find the level. Now we can see it slowing there, and it looks like, oh, of course it's slowing there. But it's a good one. So we'll see if we can get back up there, 50.75. I don't know if I like selling it here.
So we'll wait. We'll wait still early here to this power hour. I want to give a shout out to Cigar Goradia. Says in the chat here, power hour, passed my first trading combine, all thanks to Hogue and Dakota.
Nice.
Hashtag power hour. Good stuff. Get that hashtag going. Congratulations.
Please do.
Huge.
Well done. Hashtag. Dolby, tell us what hashtag power hour is all about.
Hashtag power hour. I mean, we are trying to take over this hashtag. We have the most profitable segment on TopstepTV. This is where the winners are placing. This is where the winners are placing trades. And if you are winning and you're trading on Power Hour, please use hashtag Power Hour at TopstepOfficial on Twitter or Instagram. I will find your post and screenshot it and share it with the world.
Ooh.
Chat. Think about how cool that is. And it could be almost anything. And I will put it up. As long as it's about you having a win or it's making fun of Andre. I will take either one and post it.
Wow.
For you. I know. That's to be really good if you're making fun of me.
It better
really
better be a good joke. It better be a good joke.
Seriously.
I think at the end of the year, you guys have to do like a TopstepTV awards, and you have to let somebody like best meme of Andre and award somebody for that. Best meme of Dolby.
That would be tough, actually.
Award winner for that. That would be tough. There's some good ones.
Deal. I would like to be the judge, though, of my meme, though.
Yes, you have to judge it. Yes.
Absolutely.
100%.
100%.
We could do that.
Yeah, there are quite a few of Andre. I have a handful. Andre, you have some. The Third Eye one of my favorites.
Costanza.
I was not here for that. Yeah, Costanza, that's great. A little risque for me personally, you know. I have very conservative taste.
My mother was concerned. My mother was concerned, to say the least. Andre, I didn't know you looked like that. I'm like, Mom, I don't. I do not. But, hey, quick delta. Plus 4,000 in NQ, plus 5,000 ES. Still got a setup coming here. Yes, please.
My YM trade has gone literally nowhere.
I was going to say, look at, isn't it crazy, man? Like, look, the price action this afternoon is kind of interesting. Look at it since 1 o'clock. Sideways from 1 to 1:30, moves up very quickly. Sideways again for another 10 minutes, moves up very quickly.
Yep.
And when we have that, like, it's very like burst like almost this afternoon.
Yeah, I mean the really good consolidation trade would have been up there at like 38,660. We had 2 5-minute consolidations back to back, right up there. And you have some tight candlesticks too, so it gives you like opportunity to actually participate in that short. The short I'm in now is like a very, very dirty continuation trade of that pattern. A very dirty version of that. Yeah. A lot of olive juice. That's all I'm saying.
Gold today.
All right.
Well, you guys
this This is Power Hour, and we'd like to pull some levels from those watching the audience here on Topstep TV. So if we don't mind, Dan, let's drop that form in here and see if we can get some levels pulled from those traders of ours. There it is. Boom. Asking you shall receive. Thank you, Danielle. Quick with it. I love it. So we'll pull those. I don't know. What do you think, Danielle? Keep those open for 10, 15 minutes, digest them, and then maybe pull a trade if something presents itself in the final half hour here on Fast Markets. It's kind of what I'm thinking. We're having a show meeting here on air as we speak.
I'm going to short one more.
All right.
Yeah, we're going to take one more.
Share those
We're
levels.
just going to walk our stop down. Yeah. We're going to try to sell this down into like previous daily high. I think that's going to be the goal.
What price would that be?
38,346. A little ambitious.
346.
It's a ways. It's a ways.
Okay. We've been there, but yeah.
Ways. We've been there before.
Nice range into YM today. Nice range in.
Real big range.
Yes, pretty good. NASDAQ, almost 250-point range there. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, Austin, since we've seen you last, I think we've had some of your Zach Anthony, one of your boys in your group there. Guy. Black Shirt Gang? Black Shirt Gang, is it?
Black Shirt Gang, bro. Mm-hmm. Black Shirt Club. But yeah, we'll take Gang
Black Shirt Club.
Affiliation, Association, Legion Club, whatever you want to call us. We'll take it, bro.
Gotcha. The club. Awesome. And you do have a podcast, and a little birdie told me that you may have someone here at Topstep may have joined you for the podcast. Tell us a little bit about it. Tell us who it was, and maybe give us a sneak peek. Some of the things you guys discussed.
So I got two I can actually tell you. So
hell yeah.
This week on Friday, I'm dropping an episode with a guy who's a true market wizard, bro. Like his name is Chris Cady. He's been trading futures for 40-something years, like a real legend. Super good interview. Following Chris, though, next week, I'm dropping an episode with Rips. Everybody here probably knows Rips since you guys have him on all the time. Great guy, great trader, great conversation. You guys will love that one. Especially the stuff that he says about like his mentality towards trading. I think his entrepreneurial success before he was a trader really feeds a lot of the success he has found here. So it's really interesting to draw parallels there. And then after Rips, on May 10th, we're dropping the episode with Michael, MP. So that's a big one. Mike is, as you guys know, a very interesting guy. And we get into some...
Is he?
I mean, he
is?
He's very... True? Dude, you know what the best thing about him is? And not to just like talk him up, but he's very normal. As much success as that guy has had in his life, you would think it would go to your head a little bit. And from the way, like, yeah, he's got his quirks like we all do, but he's a normal guy. Like, he's super authentic. And I think that's what my audience really looks for. And I think that's what people love about him the most. Wouldn't you guys agree?
How much time did you spend with him?
I set you up for that, didn't I, Dolby?
No, he's got one hell of a story. And yes, he's normal. He's a farm boy. Grew up on the farm. Yeah,
that's what I like about it, man. So yes,
was not born on third base, and definitely didn't think he hit a triple. He gets it. He busted his ass for this thing. Yes, we butt heads. I know the chat's gonna have fun with this one, but yes, he is pretty damn normal. Sure. So, any topics that you want to give us a sneak peek of?
Yes, I'll give you something. He tells this story about a dude that stabs himself in the arm while he's trading on the pit. Do you know this story?
Right. Vaguely, I'm sure Eddie or John know this. Yeah, I have heard this one.
Bleeding money, $10,000 by the second, MP said. And then at some point cut the loss. I don't remember the exact number that we filmed it like last week. And he just takes a pen and just stabs himself in the arm. Blood going everywhere, MP said. So there's a couple of good stories like that in there, yeah. So the podcast, everybody's called The Day Trading Show. So make sure you guys check that out. It's on YouTube. It's on Spotify. It's everywhere. Just search The Day Trading Show and you'll find us.
Thank you. There it is. Thank you, Danielle.
Thank you, Danielle.
The YouTube link is there right now. Oh, here we go. Rips, thank you. Got some NQ levels here.
Oh, got some levels for the house account.
387, 443, the upside. 5060. We're at 5060 right now.
Mm-hmm. Not 62. Andre, can you explain? Because I don't really understand. When you ask for the levels, what are you guys doing with it? Like, what does that mean to you guys?
Good question. Well, we're just pulling levels right now. We're trying to find a confluence of levels. We get 2 or 3 levels that kind of line up from some of our trusted traders here. People on air like yourself, Dolby, Hogue, who's joining us. We pull up the house account, right? We're going to execute some size trades because, we believe in our traders. We put our money where our mouth is. Not only do we back them, We also want to promote their levels, promote them as traders. So we're going to execute some of those levels here on TopstepTV. That's why we ask for levels. See if we can get 2-3 levels to line up, and see if we get the market to kind of dance around those levels, trade up to those levels, and then we do with it as we please, as we are discretionary traders, so to speak. But kind of going off of some of our better traders, their levels. Hopefully, those in the audience can catch on to some of them. We have seen some success doing it. I think this will be the first power hour trade with the house account. Maybe not. We see some success here in power hour. So let's see how it works here. First couple power hour trades this morning. Tight stops. Maybe we should have widened them. Just getting long down there at the bottom in the NASDAQ. Would have been nice. But, kept our stops. Market didn't go as we wanted at the time we wanted. So we got out. But, so we're just pulling levels here. See what we can do with them.
I like Rips's levels on ES.
Yeah, I'm trying to take a look at them right now.
He's saying 50-60 is, I'm sure he's saying a little bottom in here. I see that. I like that. Because I think if you slide under 50-60, it could slide a little harder, lower. And then I like that potentially.
50-60. Okay.
Yeah, we're right there. We're knocking on it right now. And then I like 77.50 as the upside. That's the current high a day. And then 93, that's a little far for me right now. But I'm sure if he's seeing that up there, I'm sure there's a reason for it. But I like 60 and I like 77.50.
All right, so looking for shorts beneath 60 and then longs above 70.
I think just because you could slide, it's setting up in a way where to me it looks like it could slide. If it slides under 60, I don't know what's going to catch it. Maybe 45, 46, maybe 43.
A very tight 5-minute range too in the NQ here.
But we're doing the same thing. Like I was saying, burst, go sideways. Burst, go sideways. So
yeah,
that might be good for power hour. We got 40 minutes, so we might get something here.
Yes, we will. Yes, we will. Okay, pulling just quick turnaround here in the form. Seeing short 50-66, which are at short 50-60, short 50-65. So we are right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus rips. Austin Silver, Reese there. Okay, let's switch over here.
I also like 60 as a bottom. If we break here to 65 or 66 in the next few minutes, I could see 60 as a short-term bottom to move back up to 75, 76.
All right, well, now we're talking okay, so not a complete breakdown. It's more of a scalp is kind of what I'm feeling, or what I'm sensing here.
Yeah, so
I mean, our risk would be pretty well defined. Just if you, if we're trying to play that range, I mean, now that we're talking about it, it's getting more expensive to take the trade.
Mm-hmm.
Take the short? I'm looking at ES. I'm looking at ES. NASDAQ a bit too
ES long or ES short?
Short. ES short.
I like the shorts if we're under 60. Yeah, I mean, I think it's holding this high of day VWAP here, which is a good sign that buyers are not able to step in here. And that's what I'm saying. Yeah. I think if you slide under 60, which is your short-term high or low, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what catches it. Maybe 51, maybe 42. That's why I'm not.
Would you stop limit the order?
I'm not a big stop limit guy. I'm sure some people would be like, yeah, stop limit. I'm a market guy. So I'm looking at it, like I said, if we break this high of day VWAP here, I'd look for longs for a short-term scalp. But if we slide under that low at 60, I think you're going to get more movement down than you are up right now.
Yeah.
We're on this
I
range.
added another to YN.
Some longs coming here. Looking the 5-minute at the bottom end of this range. Nick T, I'm looking for shorts. Just got back to my desk after being gone. All right, looks like consensus is bearish here. So wait, I got the house account pulled up right now. Still trade 50, 60.
Yeah, Rip said 50, 44, 50, and 32. So same thing I'm seeing. 40. You could go from 60-ish to 42 quickly here.
I mean,
we are in the range though. I mean, pullback would be nice, but we are in this 5-minute range for some buyers.
Really tight range.
Yeah, we are.
Not going to stay here forever though.
We're not.
It's like Eddie's Bong is saying NVIDIA rejected 800. You hop in a short?
I did short 10 from boom. Wow, we are short real quick. Short 10 from 50.95, 50.59. Boy, you got that one real well.
Let's go. You got that in. Instant.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, I love it when that happens.
I'm just one contract short at 57.
Did you take this up to the view up?
A little bit. Yeah, I think that's what I'm saying. Me and Rips are both saying the same thing. I don't know where this catches here, so it might slide.
Take the sucker view up. Here we go. Short from 59.
I mean,
59 quarter house accounts. Minus 10, 50, 59 quarter. Whoever's working the board there?
I mean,
yeah, I'm one
50,
short
36.
at 50, 57. 36, Dolby?
50, 40 would be a good target.
Even 42. I'm seeing 42. I'd love 42.
42. All right. Well, I got VWAP. What I got? I got VWAP here at 50.50. Am I? Or I'm sorry. No, I do not. I can see that back.
34. 50.34.
34. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Different chart.
Oh, nice.
Well, you know, they like to head fake this.
Well, what's going to be your risk tolerance for this one, Dre?
I'm going to trade by the market right back to entry. So somewhere around the question, Dolby. We'll see how this plays out. Probably should be more defined, no?
I got $500 on the line. I got to stop in at 68.
Nice.
Stops.
I try to keep it tight with this XFA when I'm trying to build this
Right back
buffer.
in entry.
I'm 1 day away from I need one $200 day, one more, and
nice.
I get my first payout with you guys. So I'm close to getting my first payout from you guys, which is cool.
Oh, that's
Very
awesome.
That'd be cool to hit it on Power Hour here today. Let's see if we can get a slide. Somebody hit the slide. Somebody blow on the screen in the chat. Come on.
What is funny here is that Anna Reed told me about this option volume level 38,530, and we bounced right there. So I don't know if that's going to be like a temporary sort of bounce or a permanent sort of bounce, but interesting that, you know, she kind of called that level that appeared to me to be in the middle of nowheresville, and the market caught a bid. So it's very grateful she called that out. So we're going to keep an eye on that one and see what happens there. It might be a short-term bounce, but we will see what happens.
Okay. There we go. See if we can get that.
Oh, I think Dakota's bullish. Watch out, everybody.
Always. Dakota.
Oh, that's true, actually. That shouldn't really be a surprise. That shouldn't be a surprise.
Our house count short from 59.25 here. Give the old college try the downside.
I mean, I like the trade a lot. Like for a stop, I would consider a stop maybe over 50.66. You know, 50.67.
67s I like.
That would be them breaking this high of day VWAP, which is a signal that buyers are stepping in. So that would be a great place to get out of shorts there.
Cool.
Yeah, so 68, 67. That's where I'm at.
Yeah, above that.
Yeah.
See, you guys got VWAP at 34, you said?
Yep, 50, 34, 50.
Cool. VWAP 34s. 50. Right.
Yeah.
See this
Zach,
So I'm
in the
going
chat. What's up, Zach?
725. Ooh,
what's up, Zach? Okay, taking a look at the other markets around here.
I want to get my risk adjusted. So I'm going to move my stop down. I only want to risk like about 410 on the 3 contracts I have. And we're getting
Andre,
back down to 38,530.
You did say that because we're in the same trade, I get a piece of the house account, right? You did that.
On the losers too, or just the winners?
No. Just on the winners.
Oh, gotcha. Yes, of course. Of course.
Yeah, you were here on Friday, right? You were the one that told MP to go short, so I think you actually owe us about $7,500.
No. That's the other Austin. That's the other. Austin.
Oh, that's Austin Copper.
Dude,
we were talking.
Hold on. Shout out to you guys. Yeah, Austin Bronze. Shout out to you guys, bro. Not in any way mean, but you got that guy, Justin. I'm waiting for him to sit down for the podcast with me because I want him on too. And you were like, all right, end of the stream. Do you know who you're on stream with? And I was like, there's no way he knows.
No chance.
He was like,
man.
No chance.
Dude, that was so good. So funny. I love that.
He's a good kid. Hell of a trader, a good kid, but he had to.
He's never going to forget a name ever again. It's the last time he ever forgets a name.
Scarred him in front of 6,000 or 3,000 people. Scarred him. That was so funny.
I had to bust his chops. Offer. I said, thanks for being a good sport about that. It was funny.
It's so good.
I think he knows our name now. If he doesn't, he better. But,
Bro, he knows my full name now. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, he does. I think I saw him doing LinkedIn searches on us after that. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Really getting our bios down. But, yes, that was funny. We'll have him back on. You're going to have him on your podcast, right, Austin?
Yeah. He blew me off a little bit because he was in Sardinia and got his time zone mixed up because he's, young, balling and traveling and doing all that cool shit. So we got to set it. I think we have it on the 30th. So we're filming this month.
So you are absolutely asking him if he knows your name as question number one, right?
Oh, yeah. 100%. 100%.
Okay, good.
The first, wait, I'll tell you one more thing about the MP podcast. Mike goes, just so you know, it's Michael Patak, not Patek. So like
Paddock,
in my
Patak,
head now, I'm
Patak.
all in my head about it at the beginning of the episode. I'm like shaking. I'm like, oh shit, am I going to say his name wrong? So then we start off the episode and I'm like, all right, everybody, just so you know, it is not Michael Patek. Stop calling him the same name as the watch brand. Got it? And Mike
Right.
was like, all right, good.
I thought it was Paddock. Was it like Felipe?
Philippe
Patek or
Patek.
something?
Yeah,
Philippe
don't
Patek,
hurt
yes.
yourself, Dolby. Listen, Dolby, don't hurt yourself. All right?
Dude, I think I can't afford that anyways. What am I talking about?
Dolby, what's up with the glasses today? I really am missing Wesley Snipes, Dolby.
Oh,
This
he's-
is like too
yeah,
casual
look.
for me. I know it's Monday, but
I know.
Yeah.
I don't know where they're at. Hold on. Oh, here we go.
dude,
My-
in the
my
background,
power
bro, with
glasses.
what is that? Fantasyland and cats? What is that?
It's the YOLO Bolo.
Oh, yeah. Yo,
That's
Bull's
awesome.
right.
Yeah, I just can't see anything. So, chat, you have to manage my trade for me. I'm short 3 at 38,560. So please, if you have any ideas, as long as they're bearish, I don't accept bullish ideas right now.
Right.
Yeah, we don't entertain that. No.
All bears
No.
right now.
No.
Some
Hopefully
buyers
they
coming
didn't
in.
hear me though. Yeah, actually, did they just hear us talk about them? Hopefully not. We have a really nice formation though. It's all lower highs. We're getting a little bit of a bid here, but it's not really putting up much of a fight. I don't want to go to break even. It's such a cop out. I'd rather just take profit than go to break even. No, we're letting it play. Let it play. I really cannot see anything in these glasses. It's not.
That's a problem.
Not ideal. Not ideal. Yeah. Is that a green bar or a red bar? Apparently, I'm colorblind too now. Yeah, that's
Don't
tough.
overthink.
That is tough. Don't
Zero is a
just
level.
hold. Don't think, just hold. Yeah. Our other markets. How's this ES short that you're in for the house? Oh, you're still up. You're doing pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad right now. Just kind of chopping around. Coming back up to the entry price here.
Yeah,
We'll
it
see.
got a little bit of a bid at this
did.
option volume level that Anne-Marie mentioned.
What
it's
price?
still a lot of for 38,530. She called out for YM. So I didn't have anything at all on my chart, and this is like middle of Nowheresville. And she called this out, and we caught a bid. So I might need to start paying attention to some of that. Because those like random levels that all of a sudden just catch a bid, and you're like, why? Who is stepping in? Well, it's like, oh, that could be a reason right there. That could be a reason.
Right back in the range here.
Yep. Ooh, back within range. All right.
Maybe shorts got rejected there. We'll see. I'm coming down the bottom of the hour here. Eddie, please keep us posted on any MOC imbalances. I know you'll be scanning the wires here.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hold.
Taking a look at the tilt here. 63% short ES, 64% short ES, 63% short NQ. So what it do?
So when do you start sweating bullets here, Dre, in this ES trade? You gonna time stop it? You gonna sweat stop it?
Nah, not really. Well, no, nothing to sweat right now. I'll sweat it once we hit 56. Actually, no sweating. This is just pure execution based on levels, influence of that. No sweating.
Nice.
When do you start sweating, Dolby?
I don't know. Probably about now. Probably think I'm due for a little bit. This little option volume bounce at 38,530.
Need
That's
to keep
my chimney's in a twist right now.
got Daniel Grant here saying needs to break 50, 54 half for downside. 50, 58 is Friday's high of day. This is a great entry. Thank you, Daniel Grant.
Yeah,
I hope
definitely. Ride this one right into the bell, Andre. I like it too.
Wow. All right. A lot of
I mean, we don't really
The
have
trade
any...
is getting crowded for us, Andre.
it is. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing.
Just we can make a market here. Come on.
Just fall out of bed, huh?
Listen,
right.
real quick,
Do 230, yep.
on the sweating thing, I'm thinking about starting a Trader deodorant brand. Do you guys support that?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it?
Definitely.
Where like it's extra like antiperspirant. You know what I'm saying? Like so for all the sweating all day long, you still smell fine. I don't know. I think it would do really well.
Yeah, I mean, I would take some. I mean, they
I like
can
that
smell
idea.
you from chat.
Yeah.
So you could
smell
be
you
our
from
Terry
chat, they
Crews,
know.
bro.
I could
You
do
know, like
that.
how Terry Crews does those commercials for Red Zone. That could be you for us, bro. We could have.
I mean, I
time.
do like.
Come
I
through
do
a
look
wall.
like him shirtless.
Exactly, bro.
Pull
I know,
pork.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it wouldn't take me. You know, I just gotta take my shirt off, and it's like the same thing. So
It's like the
I
same
could
thing.
easily do those ads. Easily do those.
Same,
ads.
same, but different.
Yes.
And like $100 spent.
Oh, see, Rips in
Some
the
odd
chat.
Oh,
says,
Rips.
$100.
Dude,
Rips gets
in
it.
the pits. Oh, that's a nice
Rips
one.
gets it.
That is good
I gotta
stuff.
rip him off some now, bro. Rips is now cut in on the deal. Anyone that comes
Yeah.
up with our logo, I'll cut you in too.
Yep. Man, sell it in the Topstep store. Get a cut.
Oh, dude, that'd be sick. Send every person that buys a challenge gets a mini stick of deodorant.
Mini stick. Like a travel size.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Slide.
rolling over
Come on.
through.
Everybody's
let's slide.
seeing this short. I'd love to see a slide here for us all. That'd be great.
Would be
Do
nice.
the electric slide straight down.
The chat.
Oogie,
Yeah.
woogie,
Wow,
oogie.
we are on fire right now.
Ooh,
Dude, I
yeah,
would
what
love
is
to
up?
do the electric slide.
It's on Monday.
What else we got?
You're
here?
getting a
we
5
got
minute range here.
Yeah, we are. We got to do
Yeah.
some quiz results here eventually in the last half hour on Fast Markets. Everybody, welcome again to Fast Markets. This is Topstep TV. Please hit like, please hit subscribe. For those that did miss the first and second forms of the fire drill today, rest assured we got your back. We'll be reposted in slow markets this evening, 8 p.m. Central, with Coach Dakota, who's having a hell of a trading day. Hell of a trading day.
Did anyone ask him how his little Bronny did this weekend? Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, he didn't win.
It's game one.
It's like a lot of games left.
There's a lot of games left tonight.
Colby, are you a Denver fan?
I'm just trolling.
He's a fan
You're
of
interested in.
Trolling Dakota because I think, obviously MJ is the greatest of all time. Then he's like, no, LeBron's the greatest. And then we're just like, LeBron's a baby. And he's like, oh, whatever. He's old and he plays a lot and scores points. And I'm like, I don't care. So that's like kind of like the back and forth.
Yeah.
You're never
I'm
going to
having a good
convince me.
day,
Anyways.
so I don't want to entertain that because I'm a LeBron, not an MJ. So like, we're not going to go there right now. We're going to all be
Hey,
friends.
be careful.
And
You're talking to Chicago here, Austin. You're
I
talking
know
to
who I'm
Chicago.
talking to, bro. I know who I'm talking
Yeah.
to.
That's
All right.
Do you? What are our names?
Dolby, we should do that every time. Every
I
time,
know.
Dolby.
And if they get it wrong, they have to be banned from TopstepTV for like a week or so. It's like, all right, look, you got to remember the names if we're going to bring it back on. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, they give us the keys to their account, and then we get to head or tails a 15
Listen.
lot on their account on their
Like
behalf.
that.
Get Zach on here. He's coming on this week. Get Zach in a trade and then ask him tough questions. The dude can't talk and trade at the same time. It's so funny. I love fucking with him. You got to do it.
That's
It's so
his-
funny.
All right.
That's
we
his,
gotta do
that's his
it, though.
Achilles heel. I like that.
And he can
nice
still
little
trade,
break
so
here,
he'll-
boys.
Oh yeah,
Let's see.
it's going to slide.
He's
there.
50-54
Rip said-
according to Daniel Grant. See some follow through.
What did Rip say?
Oh.
44. Rip
Rip's
says
got-
44.
Target of 44. Okay.
I think you said 44. I like 44.
Yeah. Thank you, Reps.
Because you could see the consolidation back there earlier here. We stopped there at
Yes, you can.
105. We sat there till 120. So there's something going on.
44s. I like that.
I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Sorry, my cat really wants to go outside. I'm gonna move my stop down to break even.
Yeah, stop
we're good.
neglecting
We're
your
sitting
animal,
pretty in this
Colby.
one.
They're
He's
gonna
out
make
of
memes
control.
about you neglecting your cat, dude. Come on.
Out of control. Just a cat dad. Just a millennial.
I got
cat
two, bro.
dad.
I know,
We're
bro.
doing
I got
great
two of
over
them.
here. Yeah.
Here we go. Starting to see some sellers come in here, guys.
Wait, Dolby,
Okay,
this is a
50-50.
tough question.
Sellers come in.
Save this for your streams. What is Austin Silver's cat's name? My cat's name is actually Cash, like cash money. See if anybody remembers.
Cash
That's a good
money?
little-
Oh, that's easy.
Cash
Okay.
money.
That'd be like a top quiz.
My
one.
dad
That's a top
actually
quiz.
wanted to name me.
Hey, more sellers here, guys.
Great selling.
Coming up to
Great
48s.
Oh,
Target
yeah.
44s here. Target 44s
I'm
here.
locking
See if we
stop.
get the 44s.
Stop is
One more
locked.
push. One more push.
Okay, I'm flat one of mine. I still have two running.
One more push.
Just hold it till the end of the day.
I got stop locked
Right.
on my side.
Here we
I'm
go.
going to try to get over
More
the
push.
$200 target for the day, and we'll take this.
One more push.
I'm out. Up on the day. Covered. Let's go, boys. We love that.
Hey, is that your 200?
Damn, that was a
That's
10,000.
$200?
That was I'm out
We're
flat.
payout
Flat.
city,
flat.
boys. Payout city.
Flat.
Oh, my man.
All right,
That is
count us
awesome.
$4,500. Count us up $4,500. Oh yeah, nice trade. Shout out to Rips, man. Shout out Rips. One time.
Shout out to the
Hell
team,
yeah.
bro. The whole team.
Hell yeah. All you
Everybody
guys.
in the
All you
chat.
guys.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
everyone stay
Team.
short. Hell yeah, man. Nice trade.
Chat doesn't
Love
know
that
how
we
to
do
lose
that on
money.
stream today.
Hell yeah.
Let's
Hell
go.
So what are you
Hell
going to,
yeah.
live up 45?
Oh, dude, you know I'm getting my Lambo
goodness,
with this
Dre.
payout.
Hell
Don't
yeah.
even ask me, Dolby. You know it's Lambo
Yeah,
City,
so-
bro. Come on, you know me.
That was a real
What
one right
color?
there.
What color Lambo are you getting?
I'm getting your face stickered on the hood, Dolby, with the glasses.
Which picture?
Which one?
Is it
Oh,
the
yeah.
one with
What
the
they sell.
tinfoil hat? Because that's my favorite one.
That's
we
a good
should get
one.
That one under Lambo.
Bounce.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah, there we go. I'm gonna cover one
Nice.
more. We're gonna let the
Oh,
second
yo.
one run. We've locked in
Hold on.
983 on this short.
I need a little love from the house people here. It says Austin flat. Austin's up now. Yeah, let's give Austin some love at the top.
Let's go.
Yeah, he's
Come
up.
on.
Are you gonna come back tomorrow and take a payout live for us?
I would.
Chat really wants to see what it's like to take a payout.
We
It's
could
been
do
a
that.
while for some of them.
So I was down 550, 560 bucks today, and now we're up 307. So that's a nice little turnaround.
Yup.
That's a great turnaround.
No, all
That's a
one mini
great
contract the whole
turnaround.
day. I've just been trading one
That's
mini.
awesome.
Isn't that, yeah. Flat
How do you
out
feel about
cancel.
all of the mini to micros thing? You excited to be able to trade 50
dude.
micros?
Are you kidding me, bro? Of course. I mean, it just mathematically makes sense. Oh, wait, I have to tell you guys something since we just crushed this trade. I got feedback from a girl in my mentorship. She says, how can we have such a great platform on Topstep X, but we can't export our trades so we can put it into like TradeZella? So you guys got to cook on that for me. House account in the background, you got to cook on that for me. We just need the CSV file. That's all we need. I know a lot of people in the chat would like that too.
Well, for those on Topstep X, just go right to the little question mark icon there on the left side. Pump it in there. If you don't have it, we do take feedback this way as well.
Yep, little question mark on the left-hand side. Definitely click that and submit your feedback. I think that is a relatively easy thing to do. And people have actually been asking for that for like a decade. So
Yeah.
people want to export their trades.
Well, because you can put it into TradeZella or a trade tracking software and get so much data about your trading.
Yeah.
Not that you guys don't
Exactly.
provide that, but it's just even more. And it's a cool place to do a little daily report card. It's got a notebook feature. It's got a lot. You know, we have guys doing daily review videos every day. They post that in there. It's cool.
Yeah, so listen, if you do have Topstep X and you want that feature, click here. I think my screen's up. If you click this question mark on the far left-hand side, it's tagged support, you can actually create a new post and submit your own feedback, and we'll follow it. And you can see who has like the most feedback, who has the most requests, the roadmap, the change log, all of that stuff. Question mark left-hand side. Definitely utilize that. They pay attention.
Get it in there, everybody. I see the chat. Everybody's saying yes, yes, yes. Get it in there. Show them that we need this.
Yes,
Andre, I think we're going to 41, bro. I think we got another.
Could be. Good informed one. Yeah, we get view up at 34 half-ish. That was a hell of a trade. Shout out to everyone that contributed that one. I'm simply here just clicking buttons, listening to everybody. Sold 59s, bought back 45s. 10 times.
Dre, what is it about?
$7,000 winner.
What's it about Power Hour, Dre, where you just get into the zone and you just start making a bunch of money? Is it just because it's, I'm here with a great guest? Is it the time frame?
I think it's all of that, as well as we kind of have an idea, like we talked about. We kind of have an idea what the narrative is. We've seen the last 6 hours of trading taking place, 5 or so hours taking place. So the market's been, the prices it's seen, and you see where it's been rejected. In fast markets, it's a blank canvas. You don't know. But come Power Hour, you kind of have an idea. What's coming up tomorrow, perhaps after the bell earnings week. So, yeah, I think we also have Delta. There's a lot of things that kind of lead into Power Hour trades. Kind of make it a bit, I don't want to say easier, but maybe give you a clear picture as to what's happening in the market, where it might be going.
Yeah. No, it's been good. It's been a great segment. Listen, Power Hour is good for people.
Dude, sick segment, especially for the people that have been here the whole time. Because now just looking at this trade, I was short at 130 at this basically the same price at 54. We just got short at 57. You were in at 59. I was short earlier, lost it, made a little bit back long, and then stuck with the bias here. And as it starts to fall over, we knew if it slid under 60, we could go lower. So getting an entry 59, 57, 58, that's perfect. Now, how low does it go? At this point in the day, if you were still in it, I would just trail a stop if you wanted to keep a little bit on. But I mean, when it drops like that, dude, for us, we're going to take that 4 or 5 minutes, just boom, 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 to basically
and the price action you got off of that trade was just like so good, just immediately
a little slow in the
like
beginning. Yeah, a little slow in the beginning, but not making higher highs or higher lows. It's still lower lows, lower highs. So it's just a little sideways, but still lower.
Yeah,
Good
I'm still
plan.
keeping one for YM.
Good. Dolby,
Yep.
we know you got the biggest in the group, bro. We're proud of you for that.
Yes. If you
know
got those
it,
quiz
just me
results,
and my trading combine.
quiz results, fellas. Let's get those. All right, starting to see
There
maybe
we
a
go,
bit more
43.
selling here.
Almost 43.
We do have quiz results.
Let's do it because let's pop them in here real quick.
All right, here we
Take a
go.
look. People like that. What we got here? Everything kosher?
Tim Kramer, Dusty Bottoms
Okay.
of Three Amigos fame. What else?
Looks good.
Jack
Looks good,
Admire.
right?
A couple Jack Stalkers in here.
Nice.
Yep, a
Him,
lot of
Kramer.
fans, a lot of fans.
Rips Man Crush.
There you go.
One of many.
We'll start to see some buyers come in here. Never got the view app, but
No. Makes our exit look good.
Sure
you guys
did
are getting
play
close to
out.
100K subscribers on this channel. You
Yo,
guys gotta have a
right?
party planned for that, dude.
We are.
What should we
What
do?
should we do?
That's big, man. I don't know. Probably like a 48-hour straight stream. You know, Dolby shirtless. Like pull the whole thing out, bro. Monkeys.
Yeah.
You're joining us
I
then.
think MP has
Yeah,
to be
I'm
on
there.
for 48 hours straight.
I think that would be
that-
sick. He has to stream for just in the bathroom,
48 hours straight.
brushing his teeth. Yep.
All he gets
Yeah,
is 2
something
hours
good. I
off
know you
when
guys
the
are planning
market's
something
closed.
good. That'll be sick.
Yeah. Do you have 100,000? 100,000
No,
subs?
I'm just under 40, so I'm making my way.
Just under 40, okay.
Look at us. Yep.
Yeah.
But you know what's going to happen? You guys are going to cross 100, and you're going to be at 200 in 2 or 3 months. And
Is that how it
gonna be-
works?
How it
Oh,
works.
all at
That's,
all
yeah.
at the same time. All these new customers from the CFD drama coming to you guys, crossing the 100K followers, like, you know, quality of streams is going up. It's all going to come to this head where you guys are going to just see them. I feel like 25, 26, 27, you guys are going to compound. It's going to be massive.
I'm feeling good about it. Dre, what are you gonna do with the plaque? Who's gonna get the plaque? You know, the
That's
big
the question.
silver one.
I think it goes to the trophy. Well, I know
I'm gonna
Jack.
pop it.
Jack is
Coming to
most
the
excited
office for
about
sure.
it. There it is.
Going to
Yeah,
the
Jack's
office.
very excited about it. That's show our parents that we made it with that $100,000
Yes.
100,000 subscriber
Yes.
plaque.
Look, Mom
Yeah.
on TV.
We made it. Yes.
The cryon tells you exactly what's going to happen to the plaque.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Curly fries? Got some
Wow,
curly fries,
Arby's
James?
sauce. Some Arby's sauce.
Man,
I like
it's
it.
pretty good.
Eat the
Apparently
Arby's off the 100K flag, bro.
God.
You can have your production assistant clean it with a toothbrush, James. That's a nice
Yeah,
intro.
really.
Pass around like a Stanley Cup before it gets hung in the office. There you go, Danielle. I like that.
All right, wait. I actually have a good idea. Here's a good
Okay.
idea. 100K live stream, but you sell tickets or you do it so people can come hear it live and see like you guys on stage with a panel of people trading live for a day. And it's like a big 100K celebration and also like a not a seminar, but like a live podcast almost, because this is kind of like a podcast. I don't know, something like that would be cool. Where people
Yeah.
could come to see you guys in Chicago and do it live with you guys, like do this live. That's next level.
I could definitely. I like that.
Do I have to go into
Keep
the
that-
office?
keep the
That's
ideas
my only
coming.
question.
Keep the
What
ideas
Say it
about
again, Dolby.
if do I have to go into the office for that? That's my only question.
Basically, you're asking, do I have to put pants on? Yes, Dolby, you have to put pants on.
Oh my god.
We don't want to ask too much
hard
of you.
bargain. You drive a
Yeah,
hard bargain.
hard bargain.
I think MP should put on a trade worth $100,000 and just go
Ooh,
either make
that's a
100
good
lose
one.
100.
That'd
That
be
would be
tight.
pretty sick.
I'm
Make
sure
100
Risk
lose
would love
100.
that.
I mean, it's just like our bonuses, so whatever. It's fine.
That's true.
Just throw them in there, double or nothing. H1 and H2. I think that'd be awesome.
Catching a bit of a bid here, looking at the S&Ps and NASDAQ.
Dude, look at our exit.
I
Looks
would,
real nice now, doesn't it?
Yeah, beautiful exit. I still actually have this one runner. I'm gonna hold it and see if I can actually short more on the way back up.
15 minutes. Dolby time.
Yeah, why
Dolby
not?
time.
I still think we're gonna get back down to the previous daily high. So we still have, I don't know, like 120 points or something to go, 130 points. I think we can get back down there. Maybe not. That's
Can
only
too.
15. That's not that much. That's a lot. That's a lot of movement.
Hey, Dolby, has
That,
anyone ever told you that only boomers trade YM? Or no?
Mhm. Don't you know how old I am, though? Oh, wait, no, I'm not.
Hold on.
wait, how old? What's my age again?
I just think of the stocks in the Dow, and I'm like, oh, that's such a boomer index, bro. You know what I mean? It's like all the stuff we all need, but they, it's the value stocks a lot in the Dow.
Right.
But you can trade size and not get your face ripped off like NQ. So it's kind of fun for position management. You know what I mean? It's like, I traded 4 or 5 contracts today in YM. Like my max risk was like $400 or $500. Like, so, and my stop was like a good amount away. It was cool, man. It was cool.
It's fun for Dolby to play boomer for the day. That's basically what he's saying.
Yeah, yes, it is. Yeah, I'm gonna role play like back when they could get a house for like $30,000 on a car.
Oh, dude, imagine.
That's what I'm role playing that life.
Yeah.
A little 5-minute consolidation on the YM here.
Yeah, we are 14 minutes left here in fast market, or power hour. Sorry, fast market, power hour. We do have some news coming through here behind the scenes. We'll see if we can share it with you. But until then, we'll keep an eye on these markets as we are approaching MOC time, Eddie. I know schedules changed for MOC.
But we do have some breaking news coming from outside of the trading world. Well, it's inside, but outside.
Listen to this.
The trader-in-chief took the old Series 3 test today, and we got ourselves a passing grade.
Hey! Congratulations.
He did it. My goodness, he did it. All those pop quizzes here. How about that?
Yep. Is Jack also celebrating now because he doesn't have to write?
No, Dolby. With them be passing, Jack is now banished back to his cave for the next 5,000 years.
Oh, Jack, congratulations. Enjoy your cave.
Well done, MP.
What's MP
Congrats
doing that for? Are you guys allowed to share?
Series 3? Keeping everything buttoned up, keeping it real. Differentiating yourselves from the rest of them pretty much. Like, real trades, real certifications, all that. He did pass it, though, which is pretty sweet.
Dude, that's huge. He was huge, bro.
Yeah, it is.
MP, trader, talk about traders posting their wins today. That was a big one.
There's the win. Now there's a win.
Yeah, that was a trader win. There's our one trader win. That is from MP. I think there's some other trader wins in here. We did get someone sent us a meme from the internet.
Okay.
I think I did send it to the producer Slack. It is pretty funny. It is a dig at Andre. So, let me see. Yeah.
Owen Wilson.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, that's good.
Shout out. Wow. I like that one. Send me that one. I want to see that.
Actually, that is a sweet one. You should get that on a shirt. Actually, that'd be a great shirt.
We do have one more. We got some payouts from coming in through Discord.
Love it.
Oh, do we? Yeah, I love
some nice, decent numbers.
I love highlighting these. Yeah, I like the base hits. Like, we always talk about these guys putting up like 50K, 100K. What about the people out there? Yeah. What's wrong with 600? There's 11, 6,000. These are solid payouts. Doesn't always have to be a big ass payout. Anything between a couple $100, a couple thousand. Be proud of yourself, chat.
Absolutely.
Comparison is a thief of joy.
Deal.
Yeah, it is. Very big deal. Well done. Nice exit. Thank you, Freddie A. A shout out to the team on that one. I'm simply just clicking. I'm like a robot. I'll let our trusted traders here tell us what to do. That was a nice trade. There it is. Oh, yep. Power hour.
Yep. I might get filled on a couple more on the short side here. We've already locked in 983 on this, so we're okay. We're okay, chat. But there might be some value to sneak in some more shorts. We're gonna give it a shot.
Let's do it. Got about 11 minutes left here on Power Hour. Market did reverse a little bit. Damn, Rips, nice call on that target. Rejected.
Yeah, that was a great house account trade.
Yeah, it was. That works like that. Liquidity injection here too.
Oh, never mind. I forgot how the house account.
Oh, sellers. Here come the sellers.
They are coming in, yeah. I'm on the 1 minute chart. I should get off that.
CME trading 24/7, 365. Do you guys see that in the news? Stephen Cohen's trying to get that through. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
I did see that.
I don't know how I feel about that, dude. The guy that gets caught for insider trading is now somehow lobbying to get trading for all times.
Hold on, we got some breaking news here. Eddie, what do you got?
MOC in balance, 1.6 billion to the sell side.
Yep.
Oh, wow. All right.
Big
That's a
number on a
number.
Monday.
Yes, it is.
Thank
you,
1.6. Thank you, Eddie. You said, sorry, 1.6?
Yes, sir.
1.6, yeah.
Cool.
That's a decent number.
Yeah, on a Monday especially.
Yeah, so we still hanging on to one here. Did not get filled on any adders, so just still short the one in YM. We'll hold this till close for power hour. So 9 more minutes for this one. See if we can get below 38,448. Chat, I would read your comments, but I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. So I hope it's funny.
Spoke to Michael real quick. He called in, knowing that we're on power hour. He did say, "I'm a broker now, bro."
That's awesome.
He didn't say bro.
He
He didn't say
That's
bro.
awesome.
But I'm a broker now. He's very excited. Driving back. So jump on. He's not getting great reception now, but he's very excited to jump on. He will be on tomorrow, Fast Markets. So
Oh, yeah.
congrats to him. Busted his hump on that one. Deservedly passed it. Does it say the score on there? Does it say what percentage it was? It won't tell you.
No, I think
No,
it
they
just
just
says
give you a
pass or
pass fail.
fail.
Man, I wanted to see what
Yeah.
it was. Yep.
I know. We all did.
Whatever. Pass is
We
a
all
pass.
did.
All right, we got some sellers here in the S&P. Sellers, not so much in NASDAQ. Sellers for sure. Look at the 5 minute, of course. MP, I'm a broker now. Yes, he is. Can't
Very,
fill in
very
the
happy
complete
for
set.
him. Yeah. Is he much of a test taker, Andre? You've known him for a long time.
He was today, Dolby. He was today.
And that's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
Today, he had to be a test taker, and he was one.
He passed it. All right, we got we've got the clock up here. Yes, we do. As you see in the lower right-hand corner, we got the clock. Closing bell, 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Closing bell coming up on this Monday. Big earnings week coming up. Mag 7 coming out this week. Get ready. Get ready. This should be a good one. Fed in a blackout period right now. Cannot talk until next FOMC meeting, so shouldn't hear much from them. Like I said, earnings will rule the week. Yeah.
Guys, how excited are we that there's a blackout from the Fed? Man, that was annoying.
Seriously.
God, was that annoying. Is the market even going to know what to do? Oh, can you? Yeah, yes, please.
Yeah, just on Fed probabilities, it's interesting. I was looking at this today. We're now at a 60% chance that they do not do anything to rates, even in July. Only a 46% chance that we cut in September. So that means there's less than a 50% chance now they're saying that we cut at all this year. And now it's almost now increasing the percentages that we are higher even into April of 2025. So things are changing every single day. Yes, it'll be nice that the Fed speakers are quiet, but as soon as they start talking again, this chart's going to change. I'm looking at the CME Group's website for that. So that's really interesting, just compared to where we were a few months ago, four months ago.
We got some selling action going on right now.
Yeah, we most certainly do.
Yep.
All right, JD, I'm switching over to my account so I can see all the screens. I'm getting off the house account. House account's been closed for the day, everybody. We're going to hit that lockout button right now. Lock me out. Yes, I am locked out. Clocking $4,570 on the day. Locked out. Nice trade.
Nice,
I'm switch over to look at the global board here, if you will.
I moved my stop down, so I'm down to 38,488. I've locked in 320.
All right.
I am going to start getting tight on the stop as we get into this close here.
Bring it down.
All right.
Yeah. We might get VWAP, Andre, 36.50 now for VWAP, 36 quarter.
Yep, definitely in play. 6 minutes left.
Could do 10 points.
5 minutes, 30 seconds.
Easy.
Definitely in play.
Yeah, this is what we were talking about on Strategy Lab. It's like we did a really big stop run to the downside on Friday. Now we've done a really big one to the upside today. And we're getting kind of close to closing with inside the previous day's daily high. I mean, we're not I don't know, 100 points off. But the candles are going to look pretty similar if it does end up kind of rolling over to the downside. So I just wonder if that is big players just shaking and baking and getting people out of their trades.
There we go. Liquidity injection right there. 55. 5 minutes till the bell. Not a whole lot. You get that almost MOC of 1.6 bill with a B. Thank you, Nick T.
Yep.
See Nick T on this week. All right. Yep. More sellers coming in. New price. This range 50.43. S&Ps. VWAP is 50.36. 50.36. That's right, Coop.
Yeah. Yep. And why I'm trying to get below this 38,448 area that it is bounced off of numerous times. This is the 4-hour daily high, that 38,448. So we will see if it can sustain buyers. But we got to stop up at 38,488. So we could be done with this whole situation relatively soon.
That's right.
But nice trade. Nice trade all around for everybody.
Everybody today. The chat.
Everybody, great trade.
That's what I needed today. So I'm glad we got to have that happen together. It's cool.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I like when everybody wins.
And dude, first payout from Topstep is a good milestone for me. I just started with you guys this year, so
beautiful.
This is gonna be your first one ever. Oh man, Trey, we were here
first
for
Topstep payout ever.
Wow, honored. Good stuff. Look at that smile. That's your first payout smile right there, Austin. Very good,
golden.
Sir.
That is golden.
You know, because like as you guys know, I got this mentorship group of people. I got a lot of people with you guys, so I want to try to lead by example. I've been trying to show them, like with the XFA, you don't want to swing too hard. You want to stack a couple of wins, get this first payout, make yourself profitable, right? Like even Rips talks about it in the podcast that I did with him. Get yourself profitable first. Then you got a lot of breathing room, so to speak, to know that you can trade slow, stack some wins, and get a good payout from you guys. So, very happy.
Excellent.
Did you find it difficult switching from trading combine to XFA?
No, because if you buy combines and you just try to YOLO them like we all have done, yes, it's much different. But if you treat it properly, I think you throw 1 to 3 contracts and you can pass a combine within 2 weeks. I passed this combine. I documented the whole thing on my YouTube channel. It took me a month and I traded very slowly. So I took a month to pass it. Passed it in March. Just started trading this in April, and now here we are, April 22nd, eligible for the payout. So slow and steady, I think, is the way. If you really look at it from like I think if you have some experience, thank you. If you have some experience, I say about 2 months till your first payout. Now, here we are, just about there. You know what I mean? If you go slow, you don't rush it. But of course, someone's going to YOLO it and do whatever they're going to do. But that's not what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm just saying, being able to keep an account alive for a month, regardless of your skill set, is definitely something to be proud of. Not only just making sure you're placing winning trades and managing risk, but just having the restraint just to not YOLO your account
at
any point in time, because that is, I know.
That's everything. I'm dealing with guys in the mentorship right now, like just guys that are at the desk on an inside day like we were most of the day today, and they couldn't come back this afternoon and trade because their mental energy is spent because they just burned it out. Like, it's like, dude, it's a Monday morning. Relax.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Don't blow the week on the Monday. All right. Starting to dip below here. Trading 50.
We're going to get our 40, Andre. We're going to get our 40 at the end.
90 seconds left. It's all good. All good. Let's see how this plays out.
Austin, you had a really good call to this downside, man.
Thanks.
I've been watching this. Good call to the downside.
Thank you. Good read by everybody. Andre beat me by 2 points on the price, but I'll give it to him. I'll get him next time.
There you go. All right, Trading 53. We've got the last coming up to the last 60 seconds here on Power
Dolby,
Hour.
good holdout, bro. Way to hold that thing to the end, man. Dolby's like that guy that just don't stop running. We need a Forrest Gump meme of Dolby. Somebody get me that. Just keep running. Dolby just keeps holding.
Was running. All right, Trading 50.
I'm letting the market run for me. Let it do the hard work.
Yep.
Probably gonna get stopped out here though.
50 seconds.
50 seconds.
Good day. Nice. It was some movement for a Monday. Big earnings week coming out here. Got some numbers later on the week.
Mm-hmm.
Good start. Good start. We'll see how it goes. Austin's information is 100% spot on, slow and steady, says Futures Reaper. Absolutely.
I'm flat. 1486. Yeah, 1486 on the day in the 100K account. So all of my trading combines are now in the green, which is cool.
Beautiful.
You're a real star.
All right, 15 seconds. Here we go. Shout out to all the Bell to Bellers. Everyone join us again. If you forgot, you missed the forum today, tune in this evening. Slow markets with Dakota. All right, watch this price action. Look how thick it gets in the ladder here. Boom.
I know, look at that.
Here we go. Gentlemen, that was a pleasure. Let's do it again.
Yeah.
Here we go.